Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to reset an Android smartphone to factory settings and delete all data, all account, etc. That is, smartphone will return to its original state as at the time of its purchase. I go into the settings of my smartphone and choose About Phone, then Factory Reset. I will delete accounts, contacts, photo and video, applications, backup, SD card data, etc. I click Delete all data. I confirm Factory Reset. I am waiting for the button Next because active. I click Next. I am waiting for the button OK because active. I press OK. Now you need to wait until all data is deleted. The smartphone will restart itself. The first boot will take longer than usual. Now it remembers to set up the smartphone. Friends, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click like.